Yo, what's up guys? Today I will be talking about Askick. Askick is a service which helps you get reps from China. These reps are one-to-one, which means they are basically the same as real. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do a part 2 with the shoes in hand. Let's get straight into it. As you can see, this is the home page. You can just search for a shoe which you really like. As you can see, they have a lot of variety. So I found the shoes I really like and I will just be putting in my size and then I will buy them. When you have everything you want, you can just put in the code ASKICK15 for $15 off. They have everything you can think of. They also have Rick Owens, Balenciaga and Bottega Veneta. They also have unreleased colorways, which is very good. As you can see, they even have the light up Balenciagas. Click on the link down below for their website and please consider using their service. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, as well as leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.